Very surprised. So this is a healthy chocolate. I cook in his truck. But today I'm not cooking in my truck. I'm gonna show you what I have in my truck. I'm the only truck driver who does this, okay? Only truck driver. Are you ready for it? Dum 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 dum. Ooh. Do you see that? I got my own studio, man. My own recording studio. You see that, guys? I got my computer right here. And I got my sound card right here. So I'm gonna do some recording. I'm gonna cut some dub plates. Got my earphone here. So I'm ready to go. I'm the only truck driver who has a studio in his truck. Okay, guys. So we're surprised. My mic right there. I'm gonna stay right there. I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna make like a lot of substantial hits just off this thing, okay? So are you ready? Ah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. We're surprised at them, no, 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 no. So when me step on them, we're surprised I beg no friend. Every day them come on TV promising the people them. Them talk about this and that and them talk about from when. Oppress the poor then issue to the youth, pay GU and I may say, not the Babylon system. Wanna get the youth to be the victims. I mean that stuff from about them soul. Repatriation one day it will unfold. It's a praise. I gotta stay humble. You though you play the fool. Just be humble and be cold. Living in the jungle. Gotta stay humble. You though you play the fool. Just be humble and be cool, yeah. We're surprised. Big up all massive. Thanks for the support. I'm gonna cut some dubs and jingles. Okay, we're surprised. Portable. All in my truck, man. I'm the only truck driver who has a studio in his truck. You feel me? We're surprised. Big up all massive. Price of Glory is out now. She's my price of glory. Girl, can you tell me a story? She's one of a kind. She's mine. Her surprise. Girl, I go and touch you, make you talk in a gypsy. Girl, I make your body so frisky. Like a bus in your head, you feel tipsy. You come over to me and then you kiss me. Touch you, make you talk in a Spanish, senorita. You're so lavish, baby girl. You captivate my heart and my soul. You're a freezer, baby girl. You're so cold. Big up for the server surprise. Go get the tune, okay? It's on all major platforms, you know. So go get your copy, go get your download, your stream. You feel me? Yeah, man. It's out now. Visual coming 11th, you know, 27th of this month. So I'll be doing a release party. So tune in. You feel me? And stay tuned. Our surprise is back in full effect. I'm trying to pray. And big up all my supporters, okay? If it wasn't for you guys, I would be doing this, alright? So big up, support the music. You feel me? Yeah, man. Support people you know, okay? Alright, we're surprised.